Jennifer with a Perfect Fit Alterations in Burleson, Texas. Our phone number is 817-447-3522. Now we're finishing up with our pet coat. We've put on the one side of the Velcro. Now we're going to cut a piece to go on the other side so that we've completed our project. This piece is going to go right here. Put the foot down at the edge of the Velcro. Now remember, this back stitching right here is very important because you're going to pull this coat on and off right here. And this is going to be used quite a bit, a lot of stress on that area. You can do a flying back stitch right here at the end. Stop at the corner with your needle down. Do another bit of back stitching. Go to the edge, back stitch the edge, turn your fabric when we're almost done. And back stitch on the end. And now we've got our fasteners to fasten the pet coat onto the pet. Now this Velcro right here, you see how that's hanging off the edge there? We can just trim that away. Doesn't hurt Velcro to trim it. And now we've got our pet coat fastened.